Hello and welcome to 38 Covey Court, located here in Hopkins. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. Very beautiful 1-leveled home with a fully fenced backyard and also patio. Let's go take a look. Alright, we are now in the backyard. You have your fence that you can come in on either side. As I mentioned before, it is fully fenced in. Pretty good sized yard. And right here you have the back of the home and also a utility closet back there on the left of the home. Alright, let's go take a look inside the home. Alright, we are now inside the home. As soon as you come in, you have your lighting right here in the foyer. And then straight to the left, you have your formal dining room. You have your chandelier right here. Pretty good size for your dining room. And also you have a window right here that looks into the living room. Going through the dining room, you have your eat-in portion of the kitchen right here. And also you have your window right here in the dining area of the kitchen, and also the formal dining room that looks out into the front yard of the neighborhood. You do have a side door right here in the kitchen into where you can go right there on the side of the house from the driveway. Very nice color cabinets. And also the countertop as well. You have your sink and also your stainless steel appliances. You have your dishwasher, stove, and also your refrigerator right here. Straight ahead you have your laundry room. You have your cabinet space above right here. And then you have your washer and dryer connections, and also your breaker box is here as well. Coming out of the laundry room, you have your living room, where you have this entrance and also the entrance from the front as well. You have your ceiling fan right here in the middle. Also, you have your carpet and a back door that leads to the patio and backyard. Coming through the living room, down the hallway, you have your closet right here on the left hand side. And then you have your linen closet right here to the right. Also your thermostat is in the hallway. First door to the left is bedroom number 1. Decent size bedroom. You have your ceiling fan and also your double door closet and your carpet, and that window looks out into the backyard. And coming out of here, we're going to go diagonally across the hall. You have bedroom number 2, same style. I'd say maybe slightly bigger than bedroom number 1, but you still have your ceiling fan. Also your windows right here that look out to the front of the neighborhood. It is carpeted as well. And then you have your closet right here. Right across the hall from bedroom number 2 is the bathroom. You have your single vanity right here. Also your mirror and your shower and tub combo and toilet right there. Last but definitely not least, we have the master bedroom. Pretty decent size master bedroom. You have your ceiling fan right here. It is carpeted in here as well. You have that window that looks out into the side of the home, and you have this one that looks out into the front yard as well. double door closet right here, and then you have your bathroom right here. You have your single vanity sink, and then you have your window right here, and this door right here is the toilet and shower. All right, that concludes our video tour of this home. Very nice one-leveled home located here in Hopkins. Address is 38 Covey Court. For more information, you can go to our website, which is turnerproperties.com. Again, that's turnerproperties.com. If you have any questions, give us a call at the office. Number is 803-407-8522. Bye-bye.